man, I like this so much better. Just last week I was sweating working on this truck. But welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Ram episode. We do have a lot of work in front of us, so let's go get it. So when I took the rear seats off, I didn't really care, so I just kind of slide them down like that. But to put them back, I'm worried about scratching all this because they're heavy. And I don't even know how to do it. Maybe kind of lift them up like that. I don't know. I give up. Going home. So now that I couldn't do it, I just decided not to. But now I got 2 more horsepower, so I'll do it. Все, делайте, что хотите, только чтобы трачок не ударить. Тяжелая. Не царапать можно. Хорошо. Окей. Я тут держу, можешь по чуть-чуть двигаться туда, развяжи. Не, вот так. Я ее вытащил сам. Там вытаскивать, знаешь. I absolutely love the rear seats on the Ram. First of all, you can lean them like that or put them straight. They come with heating seats. Look at that, you can even hide behind those seats. You can lay them down kind of higher or lay them down flat and turn them into anything, like into a kitchen. We got everything over here. We got a stove, microwave, coffee maker, spoons, plates, knife, protein shake, everything we need. Look at that. You can even turn those seats into a comfortable bed. I feel like I'm working at a Dodge dealer trying to sell a car, but I don't, so let's get back to work. So interior put together, nice and clean. It's 100% except this piece, still waiting on that. And I found this. I'm not sure if that came with this truck or the parts truck, but they're nice. Made in USA. That tells you everything. So same thing in the back. I also found the carpet. Look at that. Clean them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the doors together. That way I can close the truck so dust doesn't go in. First thing first, I'll be cleaning with alcohol, soundproofing the whole door using this foil and glue. And just like that, the door is soundproof. I went all the way inside. The bed is coming in tomorrow. Suspension complete, interior complete, doors are complete. That's why I pushed the truck a little bit to have more room and get the front done. So when they crashed the truck, they had to cut the main wire that goes to the battery just to kill the power. And because of this, I had to change this whole line, the whole harness that goes all the way over there, and this little piece. Got it from the parts truck. It runs from this battery, even the fuse box is here, all the way to the other battery. Diesel, they take 2 batteries. I thought I'm gonna finish the front end on the truck, but like always, I run into a problem. Everything done over here. I need a few little things on this corner, like the air box and some to connect the radiator. But connecting the radiator, I realized that I need a different one, the big one. I'll explain you why. They come with different transmission, and the parts truck had a different one, which means that's the oil from the transmission comes into this one. Both of them connects and goes to the transmission. Parts truck, one of the lines from the transmission goes here, and then this one connects into this one, so it looks like they work together. The one I have, all I need is only this one to cool down the transmission, not the one that goes into the big one. So I need a radiator without this lines over here, this one and that one. Usually I would get one online or find somewhere at the junkyards because they're cheaper, but I don't have time to wait, so I'm going straight to the dealer, see if they have one in stock. The dealer had them in stock, but they sold them for $1,090. And of course I didn't buy it. But I did get some other stuff that I needed. The clips that goes to the silencer that goes under the hood, and this vent that goes on the cab. I got a part number from the dealer for the engine cooling radiator, and I checked online and I found one at Mopar. They sell dealer parts, they're OEM. I found one for $803, free shipping. So I got it, but it's gonna be here sometimes next week. But for now, I wanna take this one off and everything is in my way, and that one comes in, install it and go for it. Came to pick up the last ram parts that was painted. The bed, 2 bumpers, tailgate, fender flares, and it's looking good. We got back pretty late last night and we just threw the bed the way it is, like that, didn't adjust or anything. All I want to do right now is kind of adjust it perfectly, bolt it in, and then I'll actually start from farthest back and walking my way to the front, completing everything. Dirt guards are installed. Fender flares installed. That's the original ones. Laramie comes with them. Now, I really hate these tail lights. I bought them. I thought they're gonna look good, but I hate them. They look really cheap. So I'm gonna take one off, install the Laramie one, and see how this one is gonna look. One fake, one original, and they are Laramie tail lights. LED light bulb over there. So I wanna buff them because they have some little scratches, and then tint them. Get them a little darker to hide all this chrome inside. Not too dark, but a little smoke. It's gonna look so nice. I'm trying to get this in a perfect line. Is that one? That's why I have that tape over there. The wheels I'm gonna install right now, only the back ones, and then I'll move towards this way. I gotta do the door panels. What do you guys think? Pretty tall, huh? Look at that. Finally got the last piece of the puzzle. Look at that, brand new piece. So I'm completing the interior today. Complete. Look at that. All the door panels are in. Basically, this one is done. Before installing the door panels on the front doors, I have to install the mirrors. Looks like I got the right parts. The rest are here, so I'm gonna assemble the mirrors. Right, that's a wrap for today's video. Actually, it didn't go as I planned. I thought I'm gonna finish the truck, but we had some problems with the radiator that was different and some other brackets that I'm waiting for them to come. But no matter what, this thing is going to the streets in the next video, so stay tuned for that one. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto build. I'll catch you guys later.